Rocks. In this video we will see how to convert image into the text format. Sometimes some images comes in text data, so how to convert those images to as a text format. It's very simple tips and tricks. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all I will show you, I want convert this data as a text format and the entire data is available on this image format .jpg format. So how to convert this data as a text format? Let's start. I2OCR, enter. The first link is display here. You just simply click here and look at this. You can convert as a image text data. Some other facilities also available platform, so but we need to here convert as a image to text data. PDF OCR facility is also available. The data is available on PDF image format, so you can select this one. Otherwise simply we select here as a OCR, English language. File URL, so we select as a file. This is my file. The text is automatically comes here, and extract the text. Recognize entire the text here. Look at this, and the text automatically convert here. Simply download as a text format. Now the data is download as a text format as it is, and now you can use wherever you want, and data comes or transfer as it is. Image are available here. So look at this. This is a JPG file, and now using this tool you can convert as it is data as a text format. That one is quite amazing tips and tricks. You can use this platform and convert any kind of images as a text format.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.